Volvo's infotainment system, powered by Google built-in, can sometimes experience glitches. When this happens, a reset can help. There are two main types, soft resets and hard resets. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It's quick and doesn't erase your data. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, wipes everything clean and restores the system to its original settings. Regular resets, especially soft resets, can improve system stability and performance. Volvo commits to monthly patches through 2026, addressing common issues like app crashes and connectivity drops. Soft resets address 85% of issues based on user surveys. If regular updates aren't conducted, resets can be needed more often to clear cache and data. To perform a soft reset, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. The system will reboot without losing any data. This is useful for unresponsive apps or lag. For a hard reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Factory Data Reset. You'll need a confirmation code, usually in your owner's manual or Volvo app. Remember, a hard reset will erase all personal data and settings, so use it as a last resort. Volvo's EX90 glitch resolution case from 2024 highlights the effectiveness of soft resets via OTA updates. In cold climates, a winter mode feature has been added in 2025 updates for automatic restarts, helping to mitigate cold weather failures.